In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate email in Shopify after an order. This is a great way to personalize your customer service and keep your shoppers engaged while also saving time. Let's jump right into the steps to streamline your post-purchase communication effortlessly. First, you need to navigate to the Apps section on the left panel of your Shopify admin. Once you're there, head over to the Shopify App Store. This is where you can find a range of applications specifically designed to enhance your Shopify experience. Today, we are going to focus on one particular app, Email by Shopify. Go ahead and search for this app and then install it. This app is designed to help you create visually appealing emails and potent marketing campaigns, yet it's incredibly user-friendly, which makes it perfect for automating your order confirmation emails. Once you have installed the app, you will see it listed in your Apps section on the left panel. The next step is to dive into the Marketing section, also located on the left panel. Click on Marketing, and from there, select Automations. This is the hub where you can manage all your automatic workflows, a place to really unlock efficiency in how you interact with your customers. After you're in Automations, proceed to click on View Templates. This is where you'll discover numerous pre-made email templates, each designed with different purposes in mind. Now, the template we are interested in today is the Thank Customers template. This template is a fantastic tool for expressing gratitude and enhancing your brand customer relationship right after they make a purchase. Once you've located the Thank Customers template, go ahead and select it. At this point, you'll see the automation flow laid out before you. It's visually intuitive, allowing you to see how each email step operates within the automation. What's even better is that you have the flexibility to customize this flow to better suit your brand's tone and style. Once you're satisfied with your edits, simply add the flow to your automation list. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set your Shopify store to automatically send a thank you email to your customers. Automating this part of your customer interaction not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also ensures a consistent branding message. Plus, it frees up your time to focus on other exciting aspects of growing your business. That's all for today. You've seamlessly set up your automated email system in Shopify following an order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you enhance your Shopify experience with ease and efficiency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.